evening, sir. Sir, can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Darwin Salazar. I'm currently working here in Nepsto in Fulnay Electric Company as a supervisor. I'm currently handling 25 operators as their supervisor and specialty line operations.
Sir, did you choose your own course in college?
Yes, the first course that I took is computer science, and after I had a difficulty in computer programming, then I realized that I I'm not I'm not really good in computer programming, so I switched to the electronics and communications.
So where did you study college, sir?
Uh, I studied in Bohol, the Holy Name University.
So what college subject do you like best?
Actually, this is so by the way, I'm not really, not really, I'm good in algebra, but I like in doing the solution because kanang Bisaya ko na lang ito eh, copy ko.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Dili kay ko ganahan mo, dili kay ko in good in algebra, but kanang ganahan ko mag-solution lang, try na ko mag-search in solution, kanang the way ko mo-solve sa problema in step by step, but kanang gusto ko nga maka-learn until such time na kanang makuha gina ko ang problema. So maybe consider na ko as favorite na ko ang algebra.
So, kuan sir, unsa may pinadili nimo kayo ganahan nga subject?
Ang ako ang dili na ko ganahan ang kining physics, more on laboratory. So, na-pressure ko last time because terror kayo ang amo ang teacher. Then, sometimes malapas na sa amo ang cut off sa amo ang approval ba. So, more on laboratory.
So, kuan sir, kanang last question, kanang ang discrete math important man na nimo? Kanang discrete math, kanang kuan siya sir, kanang sa hakit lang. Kuan siya kanang one type of mathematics nga nag-deal siya sa object nga mga distinct values, integers are often used in discrete math to provide solutions. More siya kanang magkanang solve gyud sir, pero mas more on kan siya distinct values kay siya integers ana nga pag college nimo ganahan kag discrete math or dili.
Dili kayo.
So last na lang jud sir, kinsa man jud imong inspirasyon sa college life?
My inspiration was definitely my parents, because kanang ako ang ilang papel in terms of kanang pag-grow na mo as their children. So naglisod me in terms of financial, and nasa mga struggles sa akong parents, but I took that the challenge sa ako ang magalingon in return sa ilahang maayong treatment or ilahang pagkuanak ko. So ako sa bayuan in terms of to be a successful engineer.
Sir, salamat kayo. Thank you.
Ato rin. Ikaw ba?